అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. నమో నమః. శుభోదయం. Today is the 11th and the last day of our classes on Sanskritam learning. Tomorrow for 2 days we'll have the grammar Ashtadhyayi Vyakaranam by C.S.R. Prabhu garu. Today is the last day of our classes with Shri Akella Ramakanta Prabhakar Rao garu. So now let us start the session with Vande Mataram by Challa Chittibabu garu and Prarthana by Shandilya garu. Challa Chittibabu garu, please.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujala, Sufala, Malaya Jasitala, Sasya Syamala Mataram, Vande Mataram. Subrajosna pulakitayamini pullakusumita drumadala shobhini suhasini sumadhura bhashini sukhadam varadam mataram vande mataram Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు. Now let us request Shandilya garu to chant Prarthana, please.
Subhodayam to all of you. Let us meditate for a minute. Please close your eyes. Take a deep breath and focus on your breath. Let's recite Om 3 times. Om. Now we'll recite Prarthana Slokas. Om Gananam Tva Ganapatikum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upamasravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anasrunvannoti Bhissedasadanam Om Sri Mahaganadipataye Namaha. Om Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Dhinama Vidyavatu Om Sri Mahasaraswatyai Namaha. Gurureva Gati Gurumeva Bhaje Gurunaiva Sahasmi Namo Gurave Na Guro Paramam Sisurasmi Gurohu Matirasti Guro Mam Pahi Guro Jnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagriva Mupasmahe Shruti Smruti Purananam Alayam Karunalayam Namami Bhagavat पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्य देवो भव अतिथि देवो भव। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
हरि ओम। नमस्कारः सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं व्याहरामि। अद्य अन्तिमदिनमस्ति अस्माकं संस्कृत अध्ययनकार्यक्रमे। Today is last day for this course of Sanskritam. Though I wanted to complete 10 lessons, complete only 5 lessons. Another 5 lessons are there that you can join my classes after June, after completing the Sanadhamma course, and write the examination in August. Before starting the class, let me do pradhana. Pada patami sanskrutam nityam, vadami sanskrutam sada, jhayami sanskrutam samyak, vande sanskrutamataram, sanskrutasya prasaraya, naijam sarvam dadamyaham, sanskrutasya sada bhakto, vande sanskrutamataram, संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं। हरिः ओम्। We all should practice how to speak in Sanskritam. For that, Samskrita Bharati and Samskrita Bharati Karyakartas are doing various places, various online Sambhashana Sibiras. Please attend them. You will be able to practice. Or you hear continuously the SCBC channel audios and the Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan audios, which I have sent to you on the first day itself. Please hear those videos. You will develop Sambhashana Chaturdhata. Definitely, they will help you. They are all good videos and did by experts. And please follow those videos. Hear twice, thrice, 4 times till you master it. Okay. And try to speak and try to read the book loudly. And as I told you, the Sanskritam, any language is learned by 6 sections. That is Sravanam, Pathanam, Chintanam, Mananam, Bhashanam, and Lekhanam. All these 6 sections are to be practiced. And I would like to introduce certain concepts to you now for half an hour. Then we will go to the practice of abhyasas. The first concept is there are 7 vibhaktis. And what are these 7 vibhaktis? 7 vibhaktis means usage of a word in 7 types. How do you use the word? A word, how a word is used in the language, in writing the sentence, vakyam. If you write in first case, that nominative case, that is subject. That is Pradhama Vibhakti. Even a sentence, there will be always an action. That is Kriya. Who is doing that action? That is subject. That is first case. Ramah. Ramah patati. Ramah patati. When Rama is becoming the object, something action is being done on him, then Rama Sabdam should be told as Ramam. That is Ditya Vibhakti. Aham Ramam Pashyami. I am seeing Rama. Now, what is the position of Rama here now? Rama has become an object for my seeing activity, right? So, any word that is, if you want to use that word as an object, not as a subject who is doing the work, then that word should be told in Ditya Vibhakti of that word. Okay? Then Tritiya Vibhakti. Tritiya Vibhakti example is Ramena Saha Sita Aranyam Gatavati or Agachat. Ramena Saha Sita Aranyam Agachat. Agachat Karyam, who he was doing? Who was doing? Sita was doing. She was going to Aranyam, but with whom? With whom she is going? With whose support she is going? The supporting person, the instrument. That is instrumented case, third case. With whose support she is going? She is going with Rama's support. So Rama Sabdam should go to Tritiya Vibhakti. That is Ramena Saha. Ramena. Rama Sabda's Tritiya Vibhakti is Ramena. That is, what is that Tritiya Vibhakti? Tritiya Vibhakti is associative, supportive, instrumentative. That is the position of Tritiya Vibhakti. Chetanchen Todanto in Telugu. Then question comes to the fourth Vibhakti, Chaturdhya Vibhakti. Chaturdhya Vibhakti, when this Rama is taking something, then when Rama is taking something, that Rama Sabdam should go to Chaturdhya Vibhakti, should be told in Chaturdhya Vibhakti. You are giving Namaskaram to Rama. So Rama Sabdam should be told as Ramaya Namaha, Shivaya Namaha, Vishnave Namaha, Gurave Namaha. All these things should be told in Chaturdhya Vibhakti. So in Rama Sabdam, now Rama is receiving the Namaskaram from you. So Rama Sabdam should be used in a Chaturdhya Vibhakti. Ramaya. Ramaya Dhanam Dadatu. Ramaya Pustakam Dadatu. Bhavan Ramaya Pustakam Dadatu. You give book to the Rama, to Rama, for Rama. So when you say for Rama, you have to use it as Ramaya, Chaturdhya Vibhakti. That is receiver. The Rama is in which position now? He is in receiving position. He is receiving something. He can receive fear. He can receive mosam. He can receive ruchi. He can receive a bhavam, anything like that. So anything is a receptive, is in a receptive end. When is a receptive end, should be Chaturdhya Vibhakti. So Rama Sabdam should be used in Chaturdhya Vibhakti when Rama is becoming a receiver. So something is coming out of Rama, separating from Rama. That is Panchami Vibhakti. So Panchami Vibhakti basic rule is separation. Something is separating from him, that person from whom it is separating, that word should be told in Panchami Vibhakti. So Ramat Pustakam Swikaromi. Where from you are taking the book? You are taking a book from Rama, and book is getting separated from Rama. So since book is getting separated from Rama, Rama Sabda should be told in Panchami Vibhakti. Ramat. Ramat, Rama Sabda is Ramat. Ramat Pustakam Swikaromi. Similarly, fear. If fear is coming from Simham to Gaja, Simha Sabda should be told in Panchami Vibhakti. Simhat Gajaha Trasyati. Gajaha Trasyati. Bibhyati. So Simhan Ninchi, it is getting, from Simham, it is getting the fear. Gaja. So Simha Sabda should go to Panchami Vibhakti. Similarly, Ramat Aham Pustakam Swikaromi. Ramat Aham Gnanam Swikaromi. Something is coming from him, separating from him and coming to me. So then it is Ram, that Sabda should be told Panchami Vibhakti. Separation. Separation is the main basic rule for Panchami Vibhakti usage. Then Sashti Vibhakti is a relation. You are talking about some relation towards with respect to Rama. Ramasya Hastaha. The hand belongs to Rama. So Ramasya Hastaha. Ramasya. Sashti Vibhakti. Rama Sabda. Ramasya. Ramasya Patni. Kasya Patni? Ramasya Patni. So Patni belongs to Rama. So there is a relation between Sita and Rama as Patni. Ramasya Patni. That is relation. So that relation is there. That which when you are indicating some relative, when you are talking about some relative of Rama, you want to say Sita is Patni of Rama. So you want to say that, then Rama Sabda should be told in Sashti Bhakti. Ramasya Patni, Nadyaha Jalam. Nadi is water. Nadyaha Jalam, Kupyaha Jalam. So like that Rama Sabdam, that Sabdam from which it is, from whose relation you are talking about, that Sabdam should be told in Sashti Bhakti. Ramaha, Ramasya. Then comes the Saptami Bhakti. Saptami Bhakti. So Sashti Bhakti rule is relation. Saptami Bhakti rule is Adharam. So Rama becomes Adharam for something. His relation, he is base for something. He is Adharam for something. When he is Adharam for something, that Shabda should be told in Saptami Bhakti. Rame. Rama is Adharam for having something in him. What are there in him? Sadgunani. Rame Sadgunani Santi. So Sadgunas, for Sadgunas, Rama is Adharam. Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. So that means in Rama Dharma is there, Rama Sadgunana is there. So Rame Sadgunani Santi. So Rama Sabdam is being used as a Adharam for Sadgunas. So when they are talking about Adharavota sentence, then on which Adharam, on which base the work is being done, that Sabdam should be told in Saptami Bhakti, Rame. And when you are addressing Rama, then you have to remove that Visarga, say Hey Rama. When you are addressing, that is 8 is a part and parcel of Pradhama Bhakti. Sambodhana Pradhama Bhakti. That is 8th form. So these are the 8 ways you use the word Rama. Rama is the root word. Root word Rama is used in 8 ways. 7 vibhaktis and 1 Sambodhana Pradhama Bhakti. So actual sentence formation mostly is done in 7 ways. Sambodhana is separate from the sentence, right? Sentence is separate, Sambodhana is separate. You first a Sambodhana, then you make a sentence. That sentence is separate. That's why it is not considered as the application angle. In application angle, Rama Sabdam is in 7 ways. That's one concept you should, clarity should be there on you. Second clarity you should have is, for everything, a question will be there, an answer will be there, right? So what are the question forms in Sanskrit? In English, you know what, which, where, how, and all these things are there. Similarly, in Sanskrit also there are 7 kakaras. These 7 kakaras are, first one is Kim Shabdam. Second one is Kutra. Third one is Kada. Fourth one is Kati. Fifth one is Kimardham. Sixth one is Kutaha. Seventh one is Katham. These are the 7 types of Prashnavachkas you have. You should understand these 7 types of Prashnavachkas. In this, Kim is the Sarvanam Sabda. All others are indeclinables, avyayas. Avyayas means it doesn't have change. They never change wherever you use. That is avyayam. That is indeclinable. That doesn't have vibhaktis, that doesn't have vichanams, that doesn't have lingam, that doesn't have purusha. It doesn't have anything. It is used as it is in wherever you are using in the sentence. Whenever you are using, wherever you are using sentence. They are called avyayas. So except Kim, all other sabdas are avyaya sabdas. Okay. So Kim Shabdam is Sarvanam Shabdam. What is the nature of Sarvanam Shabdam? Sarvanam Shabdam will have vibhakti, lingam, first lingam, vachanam, vibhakti. All the 3 will be there for Sarvanam Shabdam. Just like Namvachaka Shabdam. Namvachaka Shabdam also will have all the 3 sections. Lingam, vibhakti, vachanam. So Sarvanam Shabdam, Namvachaka both will have that. So this Kim Shabdam is a Sarvanam Shabdam. That's why it is having the all the 3 vibhaktis. That means Kim Shabdam, what are the 3 lingas? Kaha, Ka, Kim. What are the 3 vachanams? Kaha will have 3 vachanams, Ka will have 3 vachanams, Kim will have 3 vachanams. And Kaha will have 7 vibhaktis, Ka will have 7 vibhaktis, Kim will have 7 vibhaktis. So 7 into 3 into 3. How many? 63 forms are there. When 63 forms, question can come. You can make questions in 63 forms with Kim Shabda. The answer will be in the same fashion. If you are putting an answer in Kaha, Saha Kaha, answer will be Saha Ramaha. If you are putting Kena Saha, Sita Aranyam Gachati, Ramena Saha, the answer goes in Ramena Tritiya Vibhakti. If you are putting in Kena, Ramena is coming. So, who is coming? What is the answer coming? For putting Kim question, what is the answer coming? A Namvachaka Shabdam or a Sarvanam Shabdam will come. Answer. You are giving a name. A name will come and with different vibhaktis. Right? That is the nature of Kim Shabdam question. So if you have a concept that Kim Shabdam question is there, means you have to answer either some Namvachaka Shabdam or some Sarvanam Shabdam. And in the vibhakti it is used, that Kim Shabdam is used. That concept should be clear to you. Then second one is Kutra. Kutra indicates the place. Where? So Kutra means where. So Kutra question comes, you should answer always place. The place should be always told in Saptami Vibhakti. The place should be always told in Saptami Vibhakti. So when Kutra question comes, the answer will be in place and that will be told in Saptami Vibhakti. Because place is an adharam for anything. That's why, since you are talking about the place, that should be told in Saptami Vibhakti. And then third one is Kada. Kada is time. Time is also place. In that time you are going. The time, that time is the base for doing certain activity. So that's why when time question comes also, that also to be told in Saptami Vibhakti. When the question of Kada comes, answer you should give time. That you should remember. When question Kutra comes, place you are giving. When the question Kada comes, you are giving time. Time or action related time. Time related action. Time or time related action. You will give that. So, Vadane or Ushodaya Samaye, Suryodaya Samaye, Suryodaye. Suryodaya action is happening. At that time, you have done that work. So, either action or a time. You have to tell when the question Kada comes. Kada gachati. When you are going, Panchavadane gachami. Saptavadane gachami. Sardha Saptavadane gachami. Vadane. Vadana Saptami is going Saptami. Suryodaye gachami. Ratro gachami. Ratra eppudu veltanu. Right. So that is the another concept you should understand for Kada. Fourth one is Kati. Kati is always Nichya Bahuvachanam. There is a 1 item or 10 items, question will be always Bahuvachanam. Kati Santi. How many are there? Kati Santi. Even if one book is there, we'll ask Kati Pustakani Santi. Kati Pustakani Santi, Ekam Pustakam Asti. So, Kati is always a Nichya Bahuvachanam and asking about the questioning about the Sankhya. The answer is Sankhya. You will get number 10, 5, 1, 0. Your answer is Sankhya. That is Kati question. How many? That is a question. Then fifth one is Kimardham. What for? What for you are doing this job? So your all will be same Ardham. Jalardham, Vidyabhyasardham, Parichárdham, Aharardham. That answer will be like that only. Or Patitum, Likitum, like that some other verb is there, we will learn later. And this answer is Ardham base. That is Chaturthi Bhakti. What for you are doing this job? What for you are doing this job? That is answer. Kimardham. So next question is, where from? Kutaha. Where from you are coming? Where from that has come? Where from that has been bought? Kutaha anayati. Where from you have brought that? Kutaha. Separation. When the Kutaha question is there, Panchami Vibhakti you have to answer. Mostly. Where from it is coming? Kutaha. So that is Panchami Vibhakti base. Kutaha is Panchami Vibhakti base answer. Then next is the Katham. Katham is the answer is adjective. You will get an adjective as an adverb as answer. And once Katham is there, you will get an adjective as answer. So Katham asti. Balamurali Katham gayati. Balamurali is Samyak gayati. Madhuram gayati. That Madhuram, Samyak is the quality of the Ganam, the Gayati. The Kriya of Gayati is Madhuram. The Kriya of Gayati is Samyak. The Kriya of Gayati is Samichinam. Samichinam Gayati. Madhuram Gayati. These are all the words, adverbs, so which associates with verb. So that is Katham. When you question it, it will become this thing is answer. So in the same angle, there is Kidrisha Shabdam is there also there. Though it is another common Saptakakaras, that Kidrisha is part of Katham only. Kidrisha is Shabdam is an adjective Shabdam, which has got 3 vibhaktis and 7 vachanams and all those things. That is now that is like a Sarvanam Shabdam. Kidrisha. That Kidrisha Shabdam is used, that will be used in 7 vibhaktis and that answer is Visheshanam. An adjective will come as answer. Kidrishaha asti. That means answer should be in Pullinga. Kidrishaha. Kidrishi asti. The answer should be in Strilingam because it's Kidrishi is Strilingam. Kidrisham asti. That is the Napulsalingam. Answer should be in Napulsalingam. So like that, the Kidrisha Shabdam, just like Kim Shabdam, that is in supporting to Katham only, but that is an adjective. Answer will be adjective. Then adjective, quality, what is the quality of adjective? Quality of adjective is just like Namvachakam and Sarvanam only, but the root word will be in all the 3 lingas. Uttama is there. Uttama will be there in Uttamaha, Uttama, Uttamam. Uttamaha Purushaha, Uttama Mahila, Uttamam Mitram, Uttamam Vahanam. So that goes along with the Namvachakam Shabdam or Sarvanam Shabdam. But in the lingam that is being used subsequent to that as a Visheshyam. Visheshyam means that noun Shabdam. The noun Shabdam, the person who is doing the work. So for that purpose, what is the type of the person is? What is the quality of that person? Guna Dharmam. Gunam and Dharmam, which tells is adjective. That adjective Shabdam root word is Uttama say or Choraha, sorry, Uttama, Chaturaha, Chatura, Uttama, Unnata, all these type of things, words will have position in 3 lingas and 3 vachanas and 7 vibhaktis. So that means that also will have 63 shapes. The questions can come like that. So this is the concept of Prashnavachakam. Then some other things are Atra, Tatra, Atra nearby, Tatra distant, Anyatra elsewhere, which is not visible to us, somewhere else outside our eye. Anyatra, Sarvatra everywhere. Whether you see or we don't see, everywhere, Sarvatra. Ekatra means yes, one place, at one place, Ekatra. And Kutra is question. Atra, Tatra, Anyatra, Sarvatra, Ekatra, Kutra. This is one type of words. Another type of words are, these are all required for Sambhashana, for you. Another type of words are sides, directions. Upari, Ataha, Prushtaha, Pruchataha, Dakshinataha, right side. Vamataha, left side. Abhitaha, in front of. Paritaha, around. Ubhayataha, both sides. These are these directions. I'll repeat again. Upari, Ataha, down. Prushtataha, back side. Purataha, front side. Prushtataha is back side. Purataha is front side. Dakshinataha, right side. Vamataha, left side. Okay. Abhitaha, in front of. Paritaha, around. Ubhayataha, both sides. This is another section of the words you should understand. You should by heart rather. But because they are all required for usage. And similarly, certain avyas are there. Api means also, cha means and, ataha means so, yataha means because. So all these things will come in 6th, 7th, 8th lessons. So these are the things, if you read the book, you will understand what I am talking about. So these basic concepts you should have to start talking. So now we will go to the exercises. And some more critical things are there that we will learn in when you are going to coming to my classes. And even now you can start coming to my classes in the evening at 8:30. Either Visalashmi Garu on Monday and my classes on Wednesday. You will get the worth of time. That's I'm sure on that issue. Don't think that it's a waste of time. You'll definitely get a worth of time. Either you hear the Visalashmi lectures, I hope my lectures also. Definitely I will try to the best, whatever possible I can teach to you, whatever I know, to the extent I know. I'm not claiming that I know everything. Now let us go to the third lesson, exercises. Go to the exercises in third lesson. Let me share this. Write the other numbers are the following. This is the third one. This will complete. This we have completed, right? This we completed, right? Did you not complete this?
What?
Huh? This half we have completed in third. We have come to the katha. From katha we have to start. Katha. Jambukaha aharadham kutra atati. Kutra atati. Kutra is the question. What we learned, kutra means salam you have to place, you have to use. And should be saptami bhakti. Jambukaha aharadham kutra atati. Kutra atati.
Vane atati.
Vane atati. Jambukaha kim pasyati. This is a kim. Kim means again Namavachika Shabdam will come into picture. And in Ditya Bhakti because it is used as a karma. Jambukaha kim pasyati.
Jambukaha drakshalata pasyati.
Latam pasyati. Lata Shabdam you are going in Ditya Bhakti. Rakshalatam pasyati. Right? Then Latayam kani santi. This is also Ditya Bhakti. Latayam santi. Kani santi. Phalani santi. Latayam फलानि सन्ति कानि फला कीदृशानि फलानि कीदृशीनि फलानि सन्ति कीदृशानि फलानि सन्ति
तायाम् अनेकानि
कति फलानि सन्ति अनेकानि फलानि
अनेकानि
कति फलानि सन्ति अनेकानि फलानि
अनेकानि द्राक्षफलानि सन्ति
सो द्राक्षफलानि कथं सन्ति पक्वानि सन्ति Rakshaphalani Pakwani. Pakwani is the adjective to that. Pakwani santi. Next. Kidrishani santi. Rakshaphalani Kidrishani santi. Rakshaphalani Pakwani santi. So that's not here in this question. I'm just adding that. Jambukaha kim chintayati. Jambukaha
Jambuka bhojanam
Rakshaphalanam mama bhojanam. Inverted commas. Iti chintayati. Iti you have to add. Whenever you say direct speech sentence, you have to close the direct speech with inverted commas and then write iti. And chintayati you have to add at the end. Then Jambukaha kim vadati. Kim is a vakyam. Which vakyam is saying? Kim. Vakyam is a napusakam. So Jambukaha kim vadati. Jambukaha vadati. Drakshaphalanam
Amlani iti vadati.
Drakshaphalani amlani
iti vadati.
Iti. So that's how you have to answer these questions. And now let us go to the next. Another important section of the thing is this we already practiced in the class. There's no need to know. Then let us go to the last paper, last Prashna Patrika. Write down the following sentence in Devanagari script that you have to practice, writing practice you have to do by seeing this and see the key and get the answers corrected. Then, using only Atmanepadi verbs, translate the following. Trees grow. Trees. What is it, trees? How do you translate trees?
Vrikshaha.
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 Grow. Vardhate. Vrikshaha vardhante. Vrikshaha bahuvachanam. So bahuvachan kriya you have to use. Vardhate, vardhante. Vardhate ekavachanam, vardhante bahuvachanam. Vrikshaha vardhante. Vrikshaha vardhante. Girls grieve. Grieve. What is grieve? Sanskritam. Balikaha. Grieve. What is grieve for Sanskritam? Grieve.
Chintayati.
Khidya is grieve. Khidya. Balikaha khidyante. Khidyante. You all protect. You all. What is you all? You protect.
Rakshate.
Rakshatha.
Oh, yeah.
Rakshadve, sorry, Rakshadve, Shamitam. Rakshadve. Shamitam, I use the Parasvanipadi. Atmanipadi we have to use here. Rakshadve. Yuyam Rakshadve. Yuyam Trayadve. Trayadve also is to be, can be used. Street lights grow. Street lights glow. Street light means Margadipaha. Deepaha, lights. Margadipaha, Pullingi Sabdam. Margadipaha, Deepaha, Pullingi Sabdam. So Margadipaha, glow. Prakashante. Jvalante night. No, not Jvalante. Jvalante is burning. Prakashante. So Margadipaha, Prakashante. We beg. We what is you? Vayam. Beg. Vayam.
Bhikshate.
Bhikshamahe. Vayam bhikshamahe. So you run away. You. Tvam.
Pashya. Dhavan.
Palayante. Dhavate is not the Parasmapadi Atmanepadi Kriya. Dhavate is Parasmapadi Kriya. Palayante. Palayante kaadu. Tvam is Tvam Madhyam Purusha kada. Is Madhyam Purusha. Tvam palayase. Tvam palayase. Okay, like that. Answer the following questions. What is the Ubhayapadi?
A verb in
which kriya is used? Which kriya Prathama Purusha Vartamana Kala Kriya Padam? Which Prathama Purusha Vartamana Kala Kriya Padam is used with ti and te prechayam? Then that kriya is called Ubhayapadi dhatu. That dhatu is called Ubhayapadi dhatu. The dhatu that can be used in Vartamana Kalam Prathama Purusha Ekavachana Kriya Rupam in with ti prechayam or te prechayam, or it Ubhayapadi Rupam or Atmanepadi Rupam, that is called Ubhayapadi. A kriya that can be told in Atmanepadi Rupam and Ubhayapadi Rupam is called Ubhayapadi. Atmanepadi Rupam and Parasmapadi Rupam is called Ubhayapadi. Atmanepadi Rupam and Parasmapadi Rupam is called Ubhayapadi. That is 2-3 ways you can say anyway. But the actual prachayam, if you want to say ti or te, both ways it can be used. With the ti also it can be used, with te also it can be used. Pachati, pachate, yachati, yachate, udute, karoti, both. So what is the meaning of the padona? Waterless. Una means less. Sa means add. Sapada means quarter plus. Sapada. Sa means plus. Una means less. Quarter less. Pada means quarter. Padona, quarter less. Panchanimishona, 5 minutes less. Panchanish adhika, 5 minutes more. Like that. Adhika means 5. Adhika means more, and less means ona. Panchaminishona, dasavadanam. Is less than 5 minutes to 10 o'clock. Like that. Padona, quarter less, 10 o'clock, or quarter less,
quarter to
5
10.
o'clock. Like that. Quarter less, Padona. And what is the original from the original form of a verb called?
Dhatu.
Dhatuhu.
Dhatu.
Dhatuhu. Is that
Dhatuhu.
Dhatuhu. Which word in Sanskrit means quarter past?
Sapada.
Sapada. Good. So now third lesson is over. Now let's go to fourth lesson. Here. Change the following sentences into past tense. Sa nindati. Chhatraha vadat patati. Chhatraha apatat. Sa nindati. Sa anindat.
Anindati.
Anindat.
Who is told anindati? Wrong.
Anindat.
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 At. Anindat. Sunakaha bhashanti.
Shunakaha.
Sunakaha. Sunakaha. He asked you to change only the verb. He didn't ask you to change the karta. He asked you to kriya change.
Bhashanta. Shunaka bhashanta.
Bhashanti. Sunakaha bhashanti. What is the, how do you say this? How do bhashanti, what is the past tense?
Abhashaha. Abhashanta. Abhashanta.
Abhashanta.
Abhashanta. Shunakaha abhashanta.
Shunakaha abhashanta. Abhashanta. That's all.
Abhashanta.
Abhashanta. Because bhasha is Atmanepadi. Avandata, avandetam, avandanta. Abhashanta, abhashata, abhashetam, abhashetam, abhashanta. So, parnam patati.
Parnam apatata.
Parasvepadi. Apatat. Parasvepadi. Patati is T. When you are seeing T, it is Parasvepadi.
Apatat.
Apatat. Aham namami. Aham. Anamam. Correct. Very good. Vayasyaha likhati. Vayasyaha likhati. Vayasyaha alikat. Vayam kridamaha.
Vayam akridam.
Akridama. Parasvepadi. Vaya kridama. Vayam akridama. Yuyam khadatha. Yuyam
akhadat.
Akadata. Not tha. Akadata. Light tha. Yuyam khadata is present tense. Yuyam akadata. Then tvam dhavasi.
Tvam
adhavaha. Adhavaha. Correct. Very good. Then natyaha nutyanti.
Natyaha anutya.
Anrutyan. Parasvepadi.
Natyaha
Apatati. Apatat. Apatata. Apatatam. Apatan. Anrutyan. Nrityaha anrutyan. Change into the plural numbers. Chhatra. That plural number means you have to change the karta and kriya both. Right? Don't touch the karma. Karma independent of the karta and kriya. When you are saying plural, you have to change the plural. Unless they say all the words, you change into plural. If somebody says change into plural, all numbers, all words, then karma also is to be changed. But here he is asking only change the plural number, change into plural number. That means when you change into plural number, only karta and kriya only effective, not karma. In Kartari Prayag Vakya. छात्रः प्रश्नम् अपृच्छत् छात्राः प्रश्नम्
अपृच्छन्
अपृच्छन् पृच्छत् एकवचनम् अपृच्छन् बहुवचनं चोराः धनम् अहरत्
चोराः
धनम् अहरत्
चोराः धनम् अहरन्
अहरन् वेरी गुड सा पात्रम् अक्षालयत् सा की बहुवचनं व्हाट इज बहुवचनं फॉर सा
तेन
सह तौ ते सा ते
ताः
ताः पात्रं
क्षालयाम्
अक्षालयन् अत् is there ikkada at is called parasvayapadi and parasvayapadi is there an will come in bahuvachanam अक्षालयन् अहं वाक्यम् अस्मरम् अहम् एकवचनं बहुवचनं
वयं
वाक्यम्
अस्मराम
अस्मराम अस्मराम वयं वाक्यम् अवदः त्वं वाक्यम् अवदः त्वं बहुवचनं यूयं
वाक्यम् अवदत्
अवदत लाइट लघु प्राणम you have to say अवदत सह यानम् अचालयत् सह बहुवचनं ते यानम् अचालयन् सेवकः भारम् अवहत् सेवकाः
भारम् अवहन्
वेरी गुड सा क्षीरम् अपिबत् अपिबन् बालः कथाम् अलिखत् अलिखन् करेक्ट नेक्स्ट कम्स थर्ड क्वेश्चन वंदते अवंदता अवंदंत आत्मनेपदी क्रिया इन भूतकाल रूपम एकवचनं बहुवचनं वंदते अवंदता अवंदंत श्लाघते अश्लाघन्त मोदते अश्लाघन्त सो मोदते अमोदन्त त्रायते अत्रायन्त वन्दे अवन्दन्त because we are using prathama purusha only respective person vande sorry vande is atmanepadi atmanepadi uttama purusha vande avandamahi correct bhashe अभाषामहि please repeat
भाषे अभाषामहि
सहसे now मध्यम पुरुष सहसे सहसे मध्यम पुरुष right सहसे मध्यम पुरुष भूतकालं एकवचनं
असहसे
असहथाः one second please hold on Hari Om yeah చెప్పండి చెప్పండి, వాట్ యూ వాంట్?
సార్ నా పేరు చంద్ర.
చెప్పండి.
నాది ఈ గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేయాలి సార్.
మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వండి, చేస్తాం. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను మధ్య మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వండి, నేను చేస్తాను. ఏ గ్రూప్లో యాడ్ చేయాలో చెప్పండి. సహసే అసహతాః. దెన్ బహువచనం అసహధ్వం. అసహతాః అసహధ్వం. ధ్వా కమ్స్. మధ్యమ పురుష బహువచనం ఆల్వేస్ ధ్వా కమ్స్. ధ్వా. అసహధ్వం. భాషసే అభాష
అభాషతాః అభాషధ్వం.
అభాషధ్వం. రైట్. శంకతే. దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్? ప్రథమ పురుష, మధ్యమ పురుష, ఉత్తమ పురుష? తే ఈజ్ ప్రథమ పురుష, సే ఈజ్ మధ్యమ పురుష, ఏ ఈజ్ ఉత్తమ పురుష. రైట్. శంకతే ఈజ్ అశంకత. అశంకంత. లైట్ కా, నాట్ హార్డ్ కా. Fill in the blanks with the past tense verbal form from the root mentioned in brackets. Bhaktah devam yacha. Bhaktah devam ayachata. Yacha shabdam you have to use in form in the bhutakala form. Root mentioned blanks in the past tense. You have to use in past tense. Okay. Bhaktah devam ayachata. Rugnah devanam asahata. Rugnah is ekvachanam. Ekvachana kriya you have to use. Rugnah ekvachanam. So asahata. Then te lajja. Alajjanta. Alajjata. Alajjeta. Alajjanta. Alajjata. Alajjetam. Alajjanta. Ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. So te alajjanta. Vrikshaha kamp. Akampanta. Vrishaha akampanta. Vrikshaha akampanta. Tarunaha spardha. Tarunaha aspardhanta. Sainikaha yuddha. Sainikaha అనేది ఏ శబ్దం ఇది? ప్రథమ పురుష బహువచనం. సో యుధ్యంత, అయుధ్యంత. సైనికాః అయుధ్యంత. ఛాత్రాః ఖిద్. అఖిద్యంత. జనాః మోద్. జనాః అమోదంత. యూయం శం. యూయం అక్షమః. అక్షమంత. క్షమతే క్షమంత. అక్షమంత. యూయం అక్షమంత. Always the concept, the moment. Yuyam akshamadhvam. Sorry. Yuyam akshamadhvam. That is, you are right, ma'am. Dhanyavad. Akshamadhvam. Dhvam should come. You are right. So now, the moment you see the verb, where Atmanepadi, Parasmepadi, you should first grasp. Then you should see this katta, ekvachana or bahuvachana. Then this one you have to see the verb form of Pradhama Purusha Ekavachana verb form, or that Purusha Ekavachana form you have to understand first. Then you go to the Vachanam in which Karta is there. That's how you answer. But basically you have to go for the first Pradhama Purusha Vartamana Kala Rupam. Then you will have the concept, whether that is Atmanepadi or Parasmepadi. That's why you have to remember these things. Then make transfer Sakarmaka Kriya and instant Akarmaka Kriya verbs. Okay. Balakaha khadati, Sakarmaka Kriya. Khadati is Sakarmaka Kriya. You have to tell which is Akarmaka or Sakarmaka. This Kriya. The Kriya used is Sakarmaka or Akarmaka, you have to tell. Balika patati.
Sakarmaka Kriya.
Sakarmak kriya.
Sakarmaka kriya. Sakarmaka kriya, not akarmaka.
Sakarmak.
Sakarmak.
Because patati, unless some object is there, patanam cannot be done. Sevakaha nayati.
Sakarmaka.
Sakarmaka. Pushpam vikasati.
Sakarmaka.
Huh?
Sakarmak.
Sakarmak.
Akarmaka kriya. Vikasati is akarmaka kriya. Devaha rakshati.
Sakarmak.
Sakarmaka kriya. Correct. Sakarmaka kriya. Rakshati. There should be bhakta to protect, no? So object should be there. Then only rakshati will happen. So sakarmaka kriya. Janaha pasyanti.
Akarmaka.
Akarmak. Akarmak.
Sakarmak. They have to see something.
You have to see something, you know.
What is it?
Janaha.
Pasyanti means they are seeing something.
I
Opposite.
mean, what are you saying?
Janaha pasyanti. Janaha. No. Jana, there should be object is there. Then only pasyanti will happen. Janaha pasyanti. Kim pasyanti? Vriksham pasyanti. Pustakam pasyanti. Sanganakam pasyanti. Deepam pasyanti. Deepaha pasyanti. Deepam pasyanti. Like that.
Okay.
So pasyanti, this sakarma kriya. Then saha upavishati. This one is what? Akarma kriya. Akarma kriya. Guruhu bodhayati.
Sakarmak.
Sakarma kriya. There should be sishyas to bodhan chetanaki. Sishyas should be there. Sisuhu roditi. This one?
Akarmaka.
Akarmaka kriya. Roditi.
Akarmaka kriya.
Akarma kriya. That he himself, Sisu himself is weeping.
Yeah.
Bhaktaha namati.
Sakarmaka.
Sakarma kriya.
Sakarmaka.
Deva should be there. Some God should be there to namaskaram. Bhaktaha namati. Gajaha tishtati.
Akarmak kriya.
Akarmaka.
Right. So let us go to next section. Kaha kshuditaha abhavat. Kshuditaha, Vruddha story.
Vruddha.
Vruddha chititaha abhavat. Vruddha vrukshe kani apasyat. Kani. Question is kani.
Anekani phalani.
Anekani phalani let amra phalani.
Amra
Phalani apasyat. Phala. Please close the lips and use phala. Don't use phala. Phala is Urdu word. Fa is Urdu word. Don't use fa. For heaven's sake. Please close the lips and use pavarga. Pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. That is the way you should pronounce pavarga. We should never pronounce pavarga. Pa, pa. You should not open the words and say pa, pa, ba, bha. No, that's not correct.
But Raidamo
Pa,
Parasamu.
pa, 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 ba, bha, ma. Okay. Vanaraha saha kim achintayat. Saha kim achintayat. Aham vruddhaha. That quotation word, sentence, 5 sentences are there. Aham vruddhaha.
Mama sarire
shaktihi nasti.
Mama sarire shaktihi
Vrushaha unnataha asti.
Kadam
upari gacchami. Kadam phalani prapnomi.
5 words are there in that. Is it? Iti. Iti at the end. Right. Vanaraha kati akshipan. Tani akshipan. Vanaraha kani akshipan.
Pashana kandhan.
Phalani.
No. Pashana kandhan no. Amra phalani akshipan. Phalani akshipan. Amra phalani akshipan. Amra phalani akshipan.
Amra phalani.
Please repeat.
Amra phalani akshipan.
Vanaraha
Amra phalani akshipan.
Akshipan.
Next, let us go to the last section. Convert the following verbs into past tense. Pasyati.
Apasyat.
Pibati.
Apasyat.
Pibati.
अपिबत् अपिबत्
जिग्रति जिग्रति
अजिघ्रत्
अजिग्रत हसन्ति
अहसन्
अहसन् स्मरन्ति
अस्मरन्
अस्मरन् लिखति
अलिखत्
अलिखन्
वहत् अलिखत्
अलिखत्
वहति
अवहत्
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 अवहत् यतते
अयतते अयतत
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 अयतत् कादु अयतत
अयतत
आत्मनेपदी अयतत मन्यते
अमन्यत
अमन्यत
अमन्यत शोभे
अमन्यत
अशोभे
अशोभे
very good उत्तम पुरुष this is उत्तम पुरुष अशोभे correct the errors in the verbal form सिंहः गर्जति correct the verbs
सिंह
सिंहः is बहुवचन गर्जति is एकवचन
गर्जन्ति
गर्जन्ति सिंहः गर्जन्ति he is asking you to correct the verbal form so garjati is ekvachanam simha is bahuvachanam so garjati you have to change don't touch the karta touch only kriya simha garjanti next sah dhavasi
सः धावति
dhavati because the prathama purusha she is bahuvachanam purusha so saha should be end with ti sah dhavati aham gacchati
अहं गच्छामि
गच्छामि correct अध्यापकः अगच्छता अध्यापकाः अगच्छत
अध्यापकाः
अगच्छन्
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 अगच्छन् अगच्छत अगच्छन् छात्राः अपठाम
छात्राः
अपठन्
अपठन्
अपठान्
अपठान् काదు अपठन्
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 आमा only come from उत्तम पुरुष आ अन् short only अपठन् छात्राः अपठन् वयम् अवन्दध्वम्
वयम्
अवन्दे नो अवन्दामहि
अवन्दामहि करेक्ट अवन्दामहि यूयम्
अमोदध्वम्
अमोदध्वम् ध्वम् is upper by outside upper and down is interchange that's all यूयम् अमोदध्वम् and aham ayatata is there aham
अयतम्
ayate ayate that's all tvam abadha
अबादन्ताः
अबाधताः अबाधताः ते अकम्पत ते अकम्पन्त ते अकम्पन्त the next change into the following into plural this akampata is ekvachanam rashat te is bahuvachanam akampanta so change the following into plural balakah agachat
बालकाः
अगच्छन् बालिका अपठत्
बालिका अपठन्
बालिकाः अपठन्
बालिकाः अपठन्
अहम् अपश्यम्
वयम् अपश्याम
एषः अक्रीडत् एते
अक्रीडन्
करेक्ट फलम् अपतत्
फलानि
अपतन् करेक्ट सः अयतत ते अयतन्त अयतत आत्मनेपदी अयतन्त सा अस्पर्धत ताः अस्पर्धन्त अहम् अश्लाघे
वयम
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 अस्लामहे
अश्लाघामहे अश्लाघामहे
अस्लाधामहे
मही अश्लाघामहि not महे मही
ओ मही मही
अश्लाघामहि त्वम अक्षमथाः यूयम
यूयम् अक्षमद्धायाम्
अक्षमध्वम अक्षमध्वम
अक्षमध्वम्
रिपीट
यूयम्
यूयम
अक्षमदत्थम्
अक्षमध्वम यूयम अक्षमध्वम रिपीट
यूयम्
रिपीट
अक्षमध्वम्
अक्षमध्वम
अगेन
यूयम अक्षमध्वम
अगेन
यूयम
अक्षमध्वम
बालकः अत्वरत
बालकाः अत्वरन्
अत्वरन्
correct, you are right. Atwaran, you are right. Atwaran, no, wrong. It is Atmanepadi, it is not Parasmepadi. Atwaran is not correct. Tell again. Balakaha
Atvaranta.
Atvaranta. By seeing this last ta, you can understand Atmanepadi Parasmepadi. It is ta, it is not t. So answer the following questions. Which are the intransitive verbs? A verb which doesn't have
objects.
Karmapadam, object is called intransitive verb.
Intransitive verbs.
Or another question answer is, if you put a question, what and where, and you don't get answer, that verb is intransitive verb. That is the answer. See the answer in the answer book and learn that answer correctly. Okay, the way it is written. In active voice, the verb changes according to which word?
Subject.
In active subject. Kartrupadam. You have to use Sanskrit words. Kartrupadam. Answer may be subject they must have written, but try to learn Sanskrit padas. Kartrupadam. Subject is what? Kartrupadam. Keep your mind in Sanskritam. Don't keep your mind in English. That is only use as a tool to learn Sanskritam. That's all. In active voice, which word may or may not be there?
Object.
పదం ఉండక్కర్లేదు సెంటెన్స్ అవడానికి.
Subject.
Object.
కర్మ పదం ఉండక్కర్లేదు. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉండక్కర్లేదు. కర్మ పదం ఉండక్కర్లేదు. ఇవన్నీ సెంటెన్సెస్. ఇందులో కర్మ పదం ఉందా ఎక్కడన్నా? ఎనీవేర్ యూ ఫైండ్ కర్మ పదం ఇన్ దిస్? థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్. All are active voice only. All these are active voice only. Anywhere you finding karma padam here? No object is seen here. It's not written there. Right? Without karma padam you can make sentence. It conveys meaning. Whether it's Atmanepadi kriya or Atparasmepadi, Sakarma kriya or Akarma kriya. Both are written without karma here. So they are the things. Then let's go to the 5th lesson. Change the following past tense sense into imperative mood. What is imperative mood? Praranarthakamu. Praranarthaka. Imperative means praranarthaka. Vidhi. Agna. Saha gruham gacchati. Saha gruham gacchatu. T becomes tu. Balaha patham pathanti. Balaha pathantu. Tvam phalam khadasi.
Tvam phalam khadantu.
Phalam. Sa tvam phalam khadatu. Khada. Tvam Madhyama Purusha. Tu comes only Pradhama Purusha. Tvam is Madhyama Purusha. So khada. Tvam phalam khada. Yuyam katham likhatha.
यूयं
वयं
कथां
कथां
लिखामि।
लिखतु
ना लिखानी is उत्तम पुरुष एकवचनं
लिखतु
लिखता
लिखता
लिखता लाइट था लिखता यूयं कथां लिखता लाइट था नॉट
यूयं
हार्ड था
कथां
नॉट
लिखता
महाप्राण लघु प्राण
लिखता
यूयं कथां लिखता
लिखता
रिपीट I am
यूयं
repeating 3 times. You
कथां
are not repeating once.
लिखता
लिखता
यूयं कथां लिखता
In the same time, I am repeating 3 times. Why you are not opening your
यूयं
mouth and repeating it?
कथां लिखता
यूयं कथां लिखता
लिखता
Yeah,
यूयं
again.
कथां लिखता
Not tha.
यूयं कथां लिखता
Don't give stress on tha.
यूयं
Again.
कथां लिखता
The stress should be on kha, not on tha. Tha
यूयं
should be kha.
कथां लिखता यूयं
Likhata. That
कथां
differentiation should show.
लिखता
Tha should be mahapranam, tha should be laghu pranam.
लघु यूयं
Aham
कथां
kridami.
अहं क्रीडा
अहं क्रीडामि
Aham kridani. Correct. Vayam chitram pashyamaha. Vayam chitram pashyamaha.
वयं चित्रं
वयं
वयं
चित्रं
चित्रं पश्यामः
Pashyama. Pashyama. Apashyama, pashyama.
वयं
Apashyama, bhutakalam,
चित्रं
pashyama.
पश्याम
Apashyama, that's all. Pitamaha katham vadati.
पितामहः कथां वदतु
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 Thank you. Pitamaha katham vadati. Pitamaha katham vadati.
वदत् यथा
Pitamaha katham vadatu.
वदतु
Correct. Bhaktaha devam namanti.
भक्ताः
भक्ताः देवान् निमन्तु
Devam
नमन्तु
namantu. Tvam pustakam nayasi. Tvam.
त्वं
त्वं पुस्तकं
Naya. Correct. Naya. Correct. Na. Tvam. Ekavachanam. Naya.
त्वं पुस्तकं नया
त्वं
Repeat.
पुस्तकं नया
त्वं पुस्तकं नया
नया
Repeat.
त्वं पुस्तकं नया त्वं पुस्तकं नया
पुत्रः रसं स्वदते. पुत्रः रसं स्वदताम्. स्वदते स्वदताम्. These आत्मनेपदी एकवचनं परमपुरुषः. प्रथम पुत्रः रसं स्वदताम्. जनाः धीरं श्लाघन्ते.
श्लाघन्ताम्
जनाः धीरं श्लाघन्ताम्. चोराः पलायन्ते. पलायन्ताम्. करेक्ट. त्वं स्पर्धसे. Correct. Very good. Thank you very much. Tvam swadhasva. Very good. Exactly. Very good. Yuyam lajjadve.
यूयं लज्जध्वा
Lajjadvam.
यूयं लज्जध्वम्
Lajjadvam or lajjadvam? Lajjadvam. That's all. Alajjadvam is the bhutakalam. Lajjadvam is Vartamana Praranardhakam. Alajjadvam is bhutakalam. If you remove that becomes Praranardhakam. Yuyam lajjadvam. Aham mode.
अहं
Modani.
मोदामि
Aham modai. Modani is moda. If that is Parasmepadi. Ni comes for Parasmepadi. For Atmanepadi, I comes. Aham modai.
मोदै
Vayam bhashamahe.
वयं
भाषामहे
Mahai. Balaha akasham icchante.
बालाः आकाशम्
ईक्षताम् बालाः
Ichantam.
बालाः आकाशम् ईक्षन्ताम्
सस्यानि वर्धन्ते
संतानि वर्धनाम्
सस्यानि वर्धन्ताम्
ताम करेक्ट अंताम
वर्धन्ताम्
सस्यानि वर्धन्ताम. The next question. Answer the following questions. Takshakah. Now the question usage of the object in Ditya Bhakti. That is the questions here. Please be careful. Takshakah kim takshati. Have you read this lesson or not? If you are not read, you cannot answer.
तक्षकः काष्ठं तक्षति.
Correct. Kastam. Kastah. Kastah. Kastam. Kastah. Pradhama vachana. Pradhama vibhakti. Kastam Ditya vibhakti. Takshakah kastam takshati. Next. Sisavah kam patanti. Kam. Ka shabda स्त्रीलिंग शब्द you have tried. शिशवः शब्दरूपावलिं पठन्ति. गुरवः द्वितीय विभक्ति शब्दरूपावलिं मति शब्दं लागा शब्दरूपावलिं शिशवः शब्दरूपावलिं पठन्ति. गुरवः कानि अवदन्. నేను చెప్పిన కూడా మీరు రిపీట్ చేయలేదు. శబ్దరూపావళి అన్న మాట రిపీట్ చేయట్లేదు. యు ఆర్ నాట్ రిపీటెడ్ ది వర్డ్. शिशवः
शब्दरूपावलिं पठन्ति.
Repeat again.
शिशवः शब्दरूपावळि पठन्ति.
गुरवः कानि अवदन्.
गुरवः उत्तराणि अवदन्.
उत्तराणि अवदन्. वेरी गुड. अंगनाः कान् गायन्ति. कान् द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन. कान् पुल्लिंग शब्द. अंगनाः कान् गायन्ति. श्लोकान् गायन्ति.
अंगना श्लोकान् गायन्ति. अंगनाः
श्लोकान्
गायन्ति.
श्लोकः शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचनम्. अंगनाः श्लोकान् गायन्ति. कुमारी कान् पृच्छति. कुमारी कान् पृच्छति. ఏమడిగింది నాకు కూడా జ్ఞాపకం లేదు. ఎవరు సీ ద బుక్. కాన్ సమ్ పుల్లింగ శబ్దం.
पुरुष.
कुमारी कान् पृच्छति.
कुमारी पुरुष
अतिथिं.
See the lesson. Let us go back and see the lesson.
अतिथिं.
अतिथीन् पृच्छति. Correct. अतिथीन्. कुमारी अतिथीन् पृच्छति. Okay. Next. You can write any pulling shabdam suitable to that. Okay. Next is Samitiः काम अयच्छत्. काम अनुमतिम् अयच्छत्. Samitiः अनुमतिम् अयच्छत्. All are here only in this list of the words, sentences. Here all are there. There are 26 sentences are given here to here. In that only questions will come. Next is you come to the and change the sentence using the prefix adhi. When adhi is used, the relative word should be in Ditya Vibhakti. Vishnuhu Shirabdau Vasati. When you are using Vasati, Shirabdau, that is Saptami Vibhakti. But when you are using adhi, that Saptami Vibhakti goes to Ditya Vibhakti. Shirabdhim. Vishnu Shirabdau Vasati becomes Vishnu Shirabdhim Adivasati. So Parvati Kailase Vasati. Parvati Kailasam Adivasati. Dhanikah Gruhe Vasati.
धनिकः गृहम् अधिवसति.
सन्यासी कुटीरे तिष्ठति
सन्यासी कुटीरम्
कुटीरम्
अधितिष्ठति
सो सांसदः देहल्यां वसति
सांसदः
देहल्या मीन्स दिल्ली यंदु in Delhi
देहल्ये
देहलीम
अधिवसति सरस्वती सांसदः देहलीम अधिवसति रिपीट
सांसदः देहलीम अधिवसति
सरस्वती हंसे तिष्ठति
सरस्वती
अधितिष्ठति सरस्वती हंसम अतिष्ठति
Make the sentences with the help of the words given below. You have to make the sentence. That means you are given subject, object, kriya, verb. Three things he is giving. Subject should be in Prathama Bhakti, object should be in Ditya Bhakti, and kriya following subject. That should be the order. Sharkara, paritaha, pipilikaha. So, Sharkaram paritaha. Paritaha, when you use it, the related word should be Ditya Bhakti. Sharkara, this is not subject actually. Sharkaram paritaha. Sharkara subject should go to Ditya Bhakti because paritaha is used. When once paritaha is used, the related word should be in Ditya Bhakti. Sharkaram paritaha pipilikaha santi. I thought it is a Arthari Prayog Vakya. It's not like that. It is a Ditya Bhakti Prayogam question, this one. How to use Ditya Bhakti. So paritaha is the word. When paritaha is used, the related word should be in Ditya Bhakti. Whose paritaha? Sharkaram paritaha. So Sharkara subject should go to Ditya Bhakti. Sharkaram paritaha pipilikaha santi. Because people are bahuvachanam. You have to use santi. Sharkaram paritaha pipilikaha santi. And Vidyalayaha paritaha udyanam.
विद्यालयम परितः उद्यानम अस्ति.
Correct. Gruham paritaha vrukshaha.
గురుగారు మీనింగ్ ఒక్కసారి చెప్తారా? వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ మనం కన్వర్ట్ చేసింది మీనింగ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమొస్తుంది?
These individual words. Vidyalayaha paritaha udyanam individual words. That is used in a sentence form. Vidyalayaha has become Ditya Bhakti because paritaha is used in next word. Whose paritaha? Vidyalayam paritaha udyanam is there. Where is udyanam? It is around Vidyalaya. Since udyanam is around Vidyalayam, paritaha sabdam is used. Around Vidyalayam, udyanam is there. So Vidyalayam paritaha udyanam asti. Next, Gruham paritaha vrukshaha.
गृहं परितः वृक्षा सन्ति.
वृक्षाः सन्ति.
वृक्षाः सन्ति.
चोरः उभयतः आरक्षकाः.
चोरः उभयतः आरक्षका अस्ति.
के अस्ति? चोरः अस्ति, आरक्षकाः अस्ति.
आरक्षकाः सन्ति.
चोरम् उभयतः आरक्षकाः
सन्ति.
आरक्षकाः सन्ति. चोरः उभयतः. Both sides of chora. Rakshakapatas are there. Police are there. Choram ubhayataha. Arakshakaha santi. Arakshakaha is karta here. Arakshakaha is satkarta. Kriya is follows karta. Arakshakaha santi. This is related word for ubhayataha. So
margam ubhayataha.
Yes. Let that lady speak.
Meaning of ubhayata means rendu vaipu nunchi anna. Okay, sir. Abhitaha ante sir?
In front of.
Thank you, sir.
Paritaha around. Margaha ubhayataha पादपथः
मार्गम मार्गम उभयतः
मार्गे
पादपथः अस्ति
अस्ति करेक्ट సో దుర్గం మార్గే కాదండి హూ ఇస్ టోల్డ్ మార్గే
మార్గే కదా
మార్గం ఉభయతః ద్వితీయ భక్తి మార్గే రాంగ్ మార్గం ఉభయతః మార్గం శబ్దం should go to ద్వితీయ భక్తి not సప్తమి భక్తి మార్గం ఉభయతః
पादपथः अस्ति
that side also padapatah is there, this side also padapatah is there. So durgam abhitah nadi, durgam abhitah nadi, durgam namasri shabdam,
durgam abhitah samudrah asti,
nadi asti durgam when is written here, that is pradhama bhakti, but when you are using, that is ditya bhakti. Because Pradhama Bhakti, Ditya Bhakti, same for Napusaka Shabda. Just like Gruham, Durgam, both the things are Napusaka Shabdas. So, when he is giving in the Pradhama Bhakti. When you are writing in Ditya Bhakti. That is understanding. Deepaha, Abhitaha, Samudraha.
Dvipam, Abhitaha, Samudraha asti.
Correct. Aharaha, Vina. Now Vina is used. If Vina is used, the related word should be in Ditya Bhakti. That is another rule. It is another rule of Ditya Bhakti. Ishesha Ditya Bhakti. Aharaha Vina, Manavaha na jivati. Then here Ahara should go to what? Ditya Bhakti.
Aharam.
Vina Manava na jivati.
Manavaha na jivati. Correct. Chandraha vina akasha na sobhate.
Chandram vina akasha na sobhate.
Give the accusative forms or the accusative forms. Accusative form means Ditya Bhakti. Give the accusative forms in the pronoun mentioned in the brackets according to their number. Aham te tan ahpayami. Te shabdaniki tan Ditya Bhakti. Bahuvachanam. Te ki Ditya Bhakti tan. Aham tan ahpayami. Saha साग द्वितीय भक्ति
सह ताम
सह ताम उक्तवान अध्यापकः now time is over now shall we stop here
अध्यापकः ते सूचितवान्
एतान
अध्यापकः एतान सूचितवान् एतान सूचितवान् के कान पृष्ठवती अधिकारी अस्मान् आविष्टवान् रमेशः त्वां जानाति त्वां जनकः यूयं युष्मान् तर्जितवान्. So you have to 11th lesson you have to very careful, you have to by heart those that vibhaktis, then only you will be able to answer correctly without mistake. Okay, then other things are all katha and all those things are simple. In the last then only just slightly again you have to have exercise. Don't bother, you're all okay. You are doing a great job. Some people, other silent people, I don't know how they are understanding the subject. Anyway, so thank you very much for helping me in completing my course. And done a good job. Best of luck. And practice. Don't stop here. Keep reading the book and only you'll be able to remember. As I told, don't forget reading loudly. Don't forget reading loudly. Don't do a silent reading. Always read loudly. Okay? And then start talking something in the house. And keep all your labels on your kitchen and house with Sanskrita letter words. Then you will be it will be always reminding you what is the name of that. Then you will be using that word in the practice. That is where you can develop your practice of Sanskritam. Please do that. All the label, make every bottle you make a label with Sanskritam word. Okay? That's how you can develop it. Any problem, any doubt, please contact me. Sanskrita Bharati is always there for you to help. Either me or any Sanskrita Bharati Karyakarta you can contact. They will help you. ధన్యవాదः. నమస్కారः. ఓం యం వైదికా మంత్రదుషః పురాణాః ఇంద్రం యమం మాతరిస్వానమాహు వేదాంతినో నిర్వచనీయమేకం యం బ్రహ్మ శబ్దేన వినిర్దిశంతే శైవాయమీశం శివయిత్యవోచన్ యం వైష్ణవా విష్ణురితి స్తువంతే బుద్ధస్తదార్హన్నితి బౌద్ధ జైనాః సశ్రీ అకాలేతి చ సిద్ధసంతః శాస్త్రేతి కేచిత్ ప్రకృతి కుమారः స్వామీతి మాతేతి పితేతి భక్త్యా ప్రార్థయంతే జగదీశితారం స ఏక ఏవ త్రిగురద్వితీయः. శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. ఓం సహనావతు సహనో భునక్తు సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు మా విద్విషావహై. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. సత్యం వద ధర్మం చర సర్వే జనాః సుఖినో భవంతు. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. ఇదం మమ సర్వేభ్యः ఆగామి క్రోధినామ సంవత్సరే క్రోధినామ సంవత్సరం ఆరాయి కదా ఉగాది సంవత్సరే శుభాశయాः. ధన్యవాదాలు. నమస్కారం.
ధన్యవాదములండి. Thank you so much for the continuous 11 sessions. We really got enlightened.
ధన్యవాదాలు for giving me opportunity.
Thank you so much. And I think it is you who has taken your opportunity. You are the organizer. Anyway. So, anybody would like to say anything?
No, really, thank you very much, Guru Garu. It's been it's absolutely great learning for us. I know we have to put in a lot of effort, but the time and effort that you are all putting, it forces us to study more, you know, the kind of interest that you have taken. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Prabhakar. You have a lot of patience. Thank you.
It's required. Country's condition is like that.
Dhanyawad, Guruji. Thank you very much. And the way
you all fought at the border, and we are fighting now within the borders.
And that
so
too,
this fight should continue by all you people.
Okay, Pandiji.
Yeah, I said thank you so very much. He was always into it, and the enthusiasm and commitment and the way you taught, and that too also I appreciate being in different time zone in US. You know, that's really remarkable. Salute to you.
Okay.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురువు గారు. చక్కగా చెప్పారు మీరు ఇన్ని రోజులను చాలా ఉత్సాహంగా.
నమస్కారం.
Okay. Then Lalita ji.
Kannan ji. Pranam Mahodaya, Prabhakar Mahodaya, Pranam.
Namaste. How are you?
Good Mahodaya, with your blessings. And Kannan ji, pranams. And actually, I want to know the name of Redmi 91. If they can tell the name for attendance. You know, like today I saw that name. Only I want the name of Redmi.
Okay, one more person, Ramaswamy ji.
Thank you very much, and Guru Garu. I think teaching is the best form of learning. I think the best beneficiary will be you.
Yes, you are right. That's how I'm learning. You know,
exactly.
The moment I passed Pravesha, I started learning teaching. That's
precisely. So that's a message, Andy, for others also. Yes. Because you have to continue to use it. తప్పు అయినా పర్వాలేదు. విద్యాతురాణం న లజ్జ న భయం. సిగ్గు భయం ఉన్నంత కాలము ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ మనం నేర్చుకోలేము. That is a message which is coming from Guru Garu. Make it part of your life.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
ధన్యవాదాలు మహోదయ.
Sri Krishna.
We'll go to Prardhana and then again have an open discussion.
No, I want to record it. Sri Krishna.
సంస్కృతం చెప్పడానికి కొంచెం భయపడుతుంది. నేర్చుకోవడానికి కొంచెం ప్రయత్నిస్తామండి. ఏమైనా తప్పులు తగిన దాంట్లో తెలుసు ఇంకా నేర్చుకుంటూ మీకు వాట్సాప్ చేస్తాం గురువు. నేను రాసిన వాటిలో
భయపడుతుంది కదా, చిన్నపిల్లలు అన్ని తప్పులే మాట్లాడతారు కదా, ముద్దుగా ఉంటాయి, మనం సంతోషిస్తాం, అలాగే సంతోషిస్తారు.
ఓకే ఓకే. Hariprasad, you want to say anything? You are open. Hariprasad, you want to say anything? Your mic is open.
Yeah, I have conveyed my message to Mr. Prabhakar Rauji. Great.
Okay.
He has done a wonderful job. It is
Okay.
left to us now to cope up.
Please don't leave. Arabdham uttam janaah na parichayan.
Yeah. Uttama Jana won't leave halfway through.
In between.
Yeah. After starting, they will finish.
That too, Kalal. Hiraha.
Yeah, he's going to Japan, but he
Mascotting.
will never leave it.
Yeah, I should not leave.
Okay, now we'll go for Prarthana. Shandilyaji, please.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्रा पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अधनाः सधनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम् सत्यं वद धर्मं चरा स्वाध्यायान् मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे जना सुखिनो भवन्तु स्वस्ति
ధన్యవాదములండి Shandilya garu. Thank you so much. Now let us go for reciting national anthem. Chala Chittibabu garu, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय
Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
ధన్యవాదములండి Chala Chittibabu garu. Thank you so much. And